Hi and welcome to Kipa's Creative Flow. Just gonna water some of the plants. I'll be back. So I need to check for the next one because we're going up, and up, and up. Let's check the soil in here. Definitely needs watering. It's been about 3 weeks. So this is an 850ml glass bottle, and I'm using warm, tepid water. Okay, back down and onto the next one, which is on a smaller table. Sorry, it's a bit dark. It's about 6 AM UK time and the children are still asleep. So I've added one of these 850ml. So basically I'm adding another one, so 2 of those. And I'm just going to switch my container because there's some aloe vera here, which probably could do with more soil, to be fair. And here. Oh, look. Just show you. Looks there's a baby one coming out. Oh, baby monstera. Lovely. I'll be back. Okay, just watering over these. And this one you can really tell that it needs water. All the leaves are sprayed out. Give that generous feed. Again, to the fireplace. Excuse me, and we're just switching containers and bottle again. And let's get in here, shall we? Just a little bit. This is the avocado one. Going to the top. Add all of that in there. Just gonna pour. Okay, before I pour the water in this one, I just want to show you. It's dry as a bone, stuck to the inside. I could totally plant this now, but I've not had a chance. I'm just reinvigorating. I think this has got the same situation. Let's have a little peek. Yeah, not water. And here. This has got a cracked. I need to change the pot to this. Okay, all of that goes in there. Just going to change my container. And we're going to this plant now. Oops. Just generous glug. Okay, and here, wow, we're getting higher. Need to, so what I might actually do with some of these, so that's gone, to put that in there. But this one can just be reinserted into the soil. See how dry it is, oh my goodness. I think it's been 3 to 4 weeks since I last. Wow. Right, there's another one here. Just reinsert it. See how it gets on. Now we can water that. Where's me? Oh yeah. It's gonna need a lot more, so I'll be back in a sec. We can pour whatever's in here first. Right. Yep, so I poured another 3/4 of that in. And now I go to this one. Right, let's switch containers. This is a rubber plant. Here. Now you can see these butterflies are sleeping at the moment. It's butterfly Oxalis triangular, something like that. We're gonna give it a feed anyway. If I can get in there. Here's all the rest of that water in there. Lovely. Okay. One last job now, just pull out anything that's dead. Oh my goodness. Okay, we missed 2 plants here. Oh, 3. That's totally stuck, isn't it? Oh no. So I need to get more water. 1 second. Okay, so there's already enough water in these, but I just need to make sure there's some water in this spider plant because there's none at the moment. And once it gets roots, it will get planted on. On the floor, we still got that soil, which we need to add into everything. Right then, let me pop that to the side. And that's it. We have, I'm a bit worried about this one. Hopefully it will perk up. It did last time, but I shouldn't really leave it that long because that's not fair. That is not fair. So now I'm going to just go around and then pick off anything like this dead leaf and things like that. But yeah, this is the current jungle. Take care.